there, welcome to my channel. My name is Eunice, and today I'm here to share with you 3 product combinations that you can use for your ponytail, like what I have here. So this video is just to share with you product combinations that will definitely work for you if you're going to do a sleek ponytail, just a normal bun, or anything that you just want to lay your hair down. Yeah. So ideally, if you're going to do a ponytail, you need to use a gel. Some people use a gel, some people use a cream styler, some people use a mousse. But the ideal one is to use a mousse. The reason why you need to use a mousse is because a mousse has a mousse is very, very lightweight. And even though it offers that kind of flexibility, it also does not feel heavy on your hair, and it gives you that kind of hold as well. So if you want to do a good sleek ponytail and you want it to be, you don't want to weigh your hair down using a gel, one of the best things that you can do is to use a mousse. And the products that I'm going to be showing you, because I have used it, is this mousse. This is the Mayel Organics Grade and Honey Curl Defining Mousse. So this mousse, it says it has hold, which means that definitely you're gonna get in some hold. Now the second combination that you can be doing with this mousse is this product. So this is the Cream of Nature Flexible Styling Snot. So what are you gonna do is to first start off with the mousse, and then you top it up with this. So you don't necessarily need to use the snot alone to put your hair in a ponytail. You need to use a mousse first, because mousses are great to help you lay down your hair. I prefer to use the mousse and then I go on with the snot. Now if you have the mousse, and then you can also use the got to be glue. This particular one, the black one, I'll just say the black one. I don't recommend you using the yellow because it has too much hold, and your hair does not need that much hold to be able, like, for you to be able to rock it. And that one, I don't recommend it. So let me show you what I did. So after using this mousse, I used a little of the mousse and a lot of water, but most of the times I like to use it on damp hair. So after using the mousse, you then come back to use this just lightly on your hair. What it will give it is to give it extra hold. So if you look at this section of my hair, it has the gel, it has this product. So you can tell the difference between this part and that part. Okay, so this part has the gel, and it has it was able to lay it well, and it still has the hold as compared to this part, which has only the mousse. And then if you look at this part of my hair, this is also the got to be glue. So I put it just on this section of my hair, and you can see the difference between where the mousse is and where this is. So what I first did is just to style my hair as I would normally do with a mousse. But one thing I'll let you know is that a mousse does not have that enough hold. But what I like about the mousse is that it helps me pull my hair back together. So if you want to be able to pull your hair together and not have to, like, I know a lot of people who have to be slapping the gel on the hair until they're able to pull it all back. The mousse can help you with that as simple as possible. So all you need to do is to apply the mousse to your hair. It will give your hair that kind of, it will help you mold your hair. So after you have applied the mousse and you've set it, you come back, which I usually do on the second day. So the first day is to just style my hair with the mousse, add my attachment, and then I'm good to go. Now, when you are going into the second to the third day, you realize that the hold from the mousse is not going to be there anymore. So what are you going to do? This is where these products come into play. So you're going to put this product on the just on these parts to further keep it in place until you want to wash it. And because these products have hold, they're going to be holding your hair in place for maybe like 4 days or even more. Yeah. So that you can, I mean, restyle it, and you would not necessarily need to be applying products every day. So for me, what I'm going to be doing is to put this in the front part of my hair, which doesn't have the gel and has the mousse, and it's kind of like frozen up and all that. But this is fine for those people who don't want that sleek look. But if you want a sleek look, then you're gonna have to use these products. Aside these, there are other flexible styling or styling glues and the rest, but just make sure that you don't choose the one that has alcohol in it. So always check the ingredients so that you don't choose a product that would eventually have a negative effect on your hair. So I hope these tips are going to help you in styling your hair. And I also would like to know how you style your ponytails. Let me know in the comment section below. So thank you for watching, and I will see you sometime next week with another one. Until then, always do stay blessed.